Oh, hi everybody, this is Scott at the WHITEHOUSE1600DC. I am just really blown away by this contrail activity here. If you look up toward the center of your screen, you're going to see a skinny line and then a wide line. That wide line looks like a cloud, but I saw that earlier, and that was a contrail. That was a traditional contrail, and that is what it's formed into, is that really kind of humongous cloud there. And the sky, if you catch over there, just between those two big clouds, that's another one. It's just really incredible, the contrail activity today. I don't know, I'm not an expert on this, so if you guys can tell me if these are chemtrails or typical contrails, I just don't know, but I've been studying. It's not my major issue that I talk about, but if you guys can give me some feedback on what we're looking at here, it is interesting enough. I mean, these things have there's another small one right there. It's kind of thin, but it is just really incredible contrail, chemtrail activity here. I'm going to try to zoom in on it in a different way. Here it goes. This is outside of, this is about 45 minutes from MacDill Air Force Base. Get kind of a better view that way. But that's just what's going on. It's interesting. They were crisscrossing the sky. Oh wow, that's interesting right there. That one's really interesting. That one, you won't be able to see it on the film. I'm zooming in on it. That one has a halo of blue around it. That is moving really fast. And it's got kind of a bluish halo around it. There's another one. That one doesn't have the bluish kind of halo effect the other one had. I assume the other one was a high altitude military jet. But at one point before these bigger clouds up here moved in, for the entire sky was just absolutely crisscrossed with contrails in every direction, but just that one really straight. A lot of what you're seeing from the sunset there to here, a lot of what looks like clouds, those are all contrails that have that massive cloud formation came from a contrail right there. It's weird. That whole thing came from a contrail. Again, this is not my issue. I don't discount it at all. I'm sure that, you know, that there's a lot of great research being done by others on this. It just hasn't been my major issue. Here I'm going over here. But a very interesting day for this type of activity. And I wish I had gotten out a little bit earlier because the entire sky was just checkerboarded. Very strange, very interesting. So you guys out there that are experts on this stuff, tell me what this activity is. It's just, now the sky is really changing really rapidly, and really interesting to me as a person that doesn't really study the issue. Just really kind of interesting. Alright everybody, be sure to subscribe or comment or give this video a thumbs up. WHITEHOUSE1600DC, your Southern Fried White House.